Do you want to know how to create folders in Gmail? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So I will just quickly log into my Gmail account, and now the folders are known as labels. So you have to click on the settings icon over here and click on all settings. After that, click on the labels, scroll down, and in labels just click on create new labels. And now you can give a name to this label. Like for example, I am giving it Google, and you can create this label as a separate label, or else if you want to group it with something else, you can click here and you can select the options from here. Otherwise, you can create a separate label and then select this create option. Now this label is created, and now what will be the use of this label is, suppose if I want to move this email which I received from Google to the label which I have created now. So I can select it and click on this move to option and select my label which I named this as Google. So these emails have been moved into Google label. Now if you want to see the label, you can just scroll down and you can find the label which you have just created, and these are the emails which we have moved. Now if you want to automatically direct all these emails that you received from Google Alerts to this label, then what you have to do is open the email and copy this email address. Then go to your settings, click on all settings, then you have to click on this option filters and block address. And then what you have to do is to create a filter. So tap on create a new filter, then you will have to paste the email address you have just copied and then click on create filter. After that, what you have to do is to move all the emails that you have received from Google Alerts to the label which is called Google. So select the label name. So as you can see, the apply this label option is here, and you can choose the label, for example Google, and after that tap on create filter. Now once you do it, all these emails that you will be receiving from this Google Alerts, from now onwards it will be directed to this Google label. So it will be easier for you to find out the Gmails from the particular contact. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.